So the next video is going to be about broadcast receivers. So as you can see that we have a browser console on our left and we have our insecure bank on the right. So we are just going to run a simple command on browser, that is run app.broadcast.sniff followed by a dash action. And this is going to basically listen to all of the actions that are being carried out on the device. Cool. Now let's try entering our login user details, that is Jack and Jack at that $123. If you click on login and try to change the password now, let's set it to something. Admin at that 123 in this case. And now if you click on change password, you may see that the change password was successful and prompts to restart the application to continue. And if on your left side you may see that you have got the new passes admin at that $123. Now here's where the magic really lies. By using the broadcast receiver, we are going to actually send a message to the user. So this is the following command in order to do that. So you're basically running the broadcast send command with a phone number and an extra string new pass. And now if you go to the messages tab of the device and click on 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now if you go to the messages tab and click on the first message, you may see that the updated password has been sent from Jack at $123 to super secure pass. That's it for the vulnerability.